Did you know that one tiny seed can have incredible health benefits? Chia seeds are packed with nutrients that can transform your health, from lowering blood pressure to improving skin health. Stick around to discover their amazing benefits. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber. A quarter-cup serving can fulfill about 50% of your daily fiber needs. This fiber is crucial for digestive health. It includes both soluble and insoluble fiber, benefiting your digestion in different ways. One of the standout benefits is their ability to lower blood pressure. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidant polyphenols. These components positively affect liver health and circulation, helping to reduce blood pressure. Another fantastic aspect of chia seeds is how they help you feel fuller for longer. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When mixed with water, they create a gel-like substance that aids in weight management by keeping you satisfied without overeating. Chia seeds are an excellent alternative for vegans. Chia seeds are a great source of calcium and can help meet protein needs. Regular consumption means you won't miss out on essential nutrients and taste, even without meat. To incorporate chia seeds into your diet, try adding them to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. You can also mix them into healthy bars, stir-fries, and jams. Get creative with juices and puddings too. In conclusion, chia seeds offer numerous health benefits. They can aid digestion, lower blood pressure, control appetite, and provide a nutritious alternative for vegans. Ready to boost your nutrition? Start adding chia seeds to your meals today and experience the difference. Don't forget to subscribe to W&H Secret for more health tips and amazing recipes.